बच्चों, लास्ट टाइम का होमवर्क है 5th क्लास। आज है 5th क्लास। मुझे थोड़ा लेट हो गया इस बार क्योंकि हमारे कैमरामैन बिजी थे और यहाँ पे आज 5th क्लास है। ये आपका होमवर्क था लास्ट टाइम का। ये आप वीडियो पॉज कर लीजिए और जो मैंने रेड मार्कर से लिखा हुआ है वो सभी होमवर्क है। आई होप दैट ऑल आंसर्स आर करेक्ट। ओके, पॉज द वीडियो and see the answers. Okay, see this. Not need to explain now. You know which finger, which number, minus number, which finger, index finger, thumb finger, that all you know. So take down this and check your answers. हाँ, तो बच्चों आपने वो होमवर्क कॉपी कर लिया होगा. So I think you have copied that, paused and copied. Today I am going to teach you subtraction, -6. Okay, subtraction -6. So how? Because you all of you know that +6, +7, +8 and +9. Last class I have taught you, but today I am going to teach you -6, -7 and -8, -9. That we'll see. First concentrate on subtraction of -6. Okay, first we'll learn this. So first clean the abacus. So -6. How to do -6? You know how to do +6. +6 means both the finger bringing this two beads in the center, means touching this divider like this. Like this you are doing 6, isn't it? And whenever there is 1, 1, 1 is there, means how you will do 6? You will not do 6 by doing only 5. This is wrong. I told you in the last class how to do 6. 1 upper bead, 1 lower bead, like this. 1 plus 6. This is 1 plus 6 I have told you. So this is also 1 plus 6, like this. 1 plus 6. Like this. But no, my answer is 7. You know this. +6, +7. 7 also last time I have taught you. Once I will show you. See, if 0 is there, means how to do 7? 1 upper bead, 2 lower bead. Sorry, 2 lower beads. This is 7. So whenever there is 1, how to do 7? Separately. Don't count this. Separately 7. 7 how to do, bachcho? 1 upper bead, 2 lower beads. So 1 upper bead, 2 lower beads. So this, like this you have to do. So this is 7. You know 7. You know 8. 8 how to do? 1 upper bead, 3 lower beads. Like this. 9 how to do? 1 upper bead, 4 lower beads. Whenever there is 1, you can do 8. How to do 8? 1 plus 8 means 1 is there already. So you have to do 8. 1 upper bead, 3 lower beads. Directly. But don't count this first one. Okay. So separately. 8 means 1 upper bead. Remember this. 8 means 1 upper bead, 3 lower beads. 7 means 1 upper bead, 2 lower beads. 6 means 1 upper bead, 1 lower bead. So 9 means 1 upper bead, 4 lower beads. So simple it is. So today I am going to teach you -6. So we'll see that how to do. First number is +6. Nothing is there means here no sign is there, means it is understood that it is a +6. So 6. Full complete abacus you have to do 6, 6, 6, 6 like this. So then next number is -6. How to do -6? Hold pencil. Then -6 like this. Apart these two beads from this divider. Okay. Like this. Apart मतलब दूर करना है. दोनों beads को दूर करना है ऐसे. -6. Say -6. -6 like full complete abacus. First you have to do +6, +6, +6, +6. Then how to do -6? One more time I'll show you. See, this is +6, +6, +6, +6. Okay. Then -6 means like this. -6, -6, -6. After practicing you'll get that. In this small abacus I will show you how to do. First clean the abacus and do first 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Like this complete abacus you have to do. Say 6. When you are doing +6, say 6, 6, 6. And when you are doing -6, you must say -6, -6, -6. Like this. -6, -6. Say and do. -6, -6, -6, -6, -6, -6, -6. Okay. This you have to do. Then your answer is 0. Why is the answer is 0? Means 6 chocolates are there. See, you have to do like this. -6. Do apart. 6 chocolates are there means 6 chocolates. I have 6 chocolates. I will eat all the 6 chocolates, means minus 6 it is. So I have got 0. My answer is 0. First answer is 0. This is the example. This you have to practice 6 plus 6, 6, 6, 6 you have to do, then minus 6. This 5 times you have to practice. First example. Then second example, comma I have given here, means 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 examples for minus 6. That you have to practice. Every example you have to practice 5 times. Okay. So next one. First clean the abacus. Even your small abacus is there, means you have to clean it. Then next example is 7 minus 6. I have got 7 chocolates. I will eat 6 chocolates. How many chocolates will remain? 1. So how to do in abacus? That I will show you. First clean the abacus. Then 7. Hold the pencil. 7. One upper bit, 2 lower bit. 7, 7, 7. You know 7 how to do. 7, 7, 7, 7. Say. Always say and do. 7. Then 7. The next number is minus 6. Minus 6 how to do? 1 upper bit, 1 lower bit you have to cancel. 1 upper bit, 1 lower bit you have to cancel. How you will do for plus 6? 1 upper bit, 1 lower bit you will add. Like that here you have to cancel. So how to cancel? First hold the fingers here and then do apart like this. Hold the finger and do apart. Little bit it will be tough. Afterward if you practice 5 times it will be more easy. Okay. So see here. 1 upper bit, 1 lower bit you have to do apart. Minus 6. Say minus 6. Minus 6. Minus 6. Minus 6. Minus 6. Minus 6. When there is 7, it is little bit difficult because one bead is there. You should not move this. So here like this. 1 upper bit, 1 lower bit. Minus 6. Say minus 6. So answer is 1. 7 chocolates. In 7 chocolates, 6 chocolates I will eat, means 1 chocolate will remain. My answer is 1. So you want in this abacus, means I will show this here. First number is 7. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. I'll show a little bit, half of abacus. You have to do completely, okay? So how to do minus 6? 1 upper bit, 1 lower bit, you have to keep apart from this divider. Minus 6, minus 6, minus 6. So easy it is. Isn't it, bacho? Minus 6, minus 6. So answer is 1. But you have to do full abacus. Don't do half. How much you will practice, that much you will understand the abacus. Okay. Now next. 8 minus 6 we will do this. Okay. First I will clean this my big abacus. Okay. First clean the abacus. I have got 8 chocolates. From 8 chocolates I will eat 6 chocolates. So how many will remain? 2 chocolates. So my answer should be 2. So I will do here. Okay. First number is plus 8. So 8. 1 upper bit, 3 lower bit. 8. Say 8. 8. 8. Okay. Full abacus completely you have to do. I am doing only here this much. So minus 6. How to do minus 6? 1 upper bit, 1 lower bit. You have to separate from this divider. Like this. Minus 6. Minus 6. Minus 6. Minus 6. Okay. Minus 6. So my answer is 2. I told you no. My answer is 2. Then 9 minus 6. Last example. How to do 9? This is plus 9. Very simple. 1 upper bit, 4 lower bits. 1 upper bit, 4 lower bits. 1 upper bit, 4 lower bits. Okay. So now minus 6. How to do minus 6? I cannot do here. My hand is so small. This abacus is so big. I will show here in your small abacus. But I will do by this full complete hand. Okay. Minus 6 means 1 upper bit, 1 lower bit you have to cancel like this. Answer is 3. 9 minus 6 how much? This is 9. 6 minus 6 means how much will remain? 3. My answer is 3. So I show these both examples. 8 minus 6 and as well as 9 minus 6 in this abacus. If I am telling very fast, a little bit you do, little bit you slow the video and do it. Okay, come here. I'll show you. So 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 how to do means 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Minus 6 means 1 upper bit, 1 lower bit you have to cancel like this. Minus 6, minus 6. Keep the finger on that and then separate like this. Keep the finger on that and then separate. It's so easy it is. Practice 5 times. So answer is 2. First 8 minus 6. Again clean the abacus. Now I will show you 9 minus 6. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay. Like this, complete abacus, you have to do 9. Then minus 6. Minus 6 means one upper bead, one lower bead. You have to separate. So first keep the finger on those beads and then separate it like this. Minus 6. Say minus 6. 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 Like this. Answer is 3. So clean the abacus. So I hope you understood this minus 6, subtraction of minus 6. You have got 4 example, 6 minus 6, 7 minus 6, 8 minus 6 and 9 minus 6. You have to practice each example, you have to practice 5 times. If you are more interested, you can practice 10 times. No problem, okay? So I will teach you subtraction of minus 7, okay? First clean the abacus. It is also so simple. So 7 minus 7. 7 means how to do 1 upper bead, 2 lower bead. First, catch the pencil. Don't forget to hold the pencil always when you are doing in your small abacus. 7, 7, 7. Then minus 7. Minus 7 how to do? 1 upper bead, 2 lower bead. You have to separate from this divider. Okay, like this. Keep the finger on this. Completely you have to remove. Minus 7 like this. The answer is 0. I have got 7 chocolates. I will eat all 7 chocolates means 0 chocolates will remain with me. So now 8 minus 7. How to do 8 minus 7, that I will teach you. This, clean the abacus. 8 minus 7. 1 upper bead, 3 lower bead. 1 upper bead, 3 lower bead. This is, don't say 1 upper bead, 3 lower bead. Say 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. 8. Like this completely you do. Then 8 minus 7. Minus 7 how to do? 1 upper bead, 2 lower bead, I have to cancel. So first keep the finger on that and then keep apart. Keep the finger on those. Minus 7. Say minus 7. Minus 7. Minus 7. Say minus 7. Minus 7. What you are doing you must understand. No, that's why you must repeat that. Minus 7, minus 7. So you will understand. Minus 7. Minus 7. So answer is 1. Yes, this one, 8 minus 7. Now 9 minus 7. Okay, 9 means 1 upper bit, 4 lower bits. You know all of you, isn't it? So you have to do complete abacus. I will do in these 4-5 rods. Okay. So these examples also you have to practice 5 times, bacho. These examples. So 9 minus 7. How to do? 9 minus 7 means 1 upper bit, 2 lower bit. You have to cancel it. But you catch here. You are doing in a small abacus, you have to catch the pencil. I can't hold and do this because this abacus is so big, my hand is so small. So see here, 1 upper bit, 2 lower bits, 1 upper bit, 2 lower bits, 1 upper bit, 2 lower bits. Just say minus 7. Don't say like that. Minus 7, minus 7, minus 7, minus 7. So after doing this sum, what answer we have got? 2 we have got. 9 minus 7, how much? 2, isn't it? So this is so easy. So once I'll show here, last example. Come. 9, 9, 9. Here I can catch pencil very easily. 9, 9, 9, 9. Say 9, 9, 9, 9. Then minus 7. Minus 7, how to do? 1 upper bit, 2 lower bit, we have to cancel. First keep the finger on those beads and then apart it from the divider. Separate it. Minus 7. Say minus 7. What we should say? Minus 7. 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 I hope you understood. Minus 7. The answer is 2. And then clean the abacus. Set it 0. Clean the abacus. So next example, minus 8 and minus 9 I will take. Okay. So here only I will take that. I hope these examples you have copied. So now minus 8 minus 9. For this minus 8, how many examples will come? 2 examples will come. Example That is 8 minus 8, comma 9 minus 8. Only two examples will come here. This 5 times you have to practice. Then 9. In 9 you will get only one example. 9 minus 9. Okay. So we'll do that. So first example is 8 minus 8. 8 you know how to do. 1 upper bit, 3 lower bit. 8, 8, 8, 8 you say and do in your small abacus. Then minus 8. Minus 8 how to do, bacho? Minus 8 means you have to separate that 8 from this divider. Okay. 1 upper bit, 3 lower bit, you have to cancel. You have to cancel. So how to cancel? First keep your finger on that and then separate it like this. Minus 8. What it is? Minus 8. What it is? Minus 8. Minus 8. Minus 8. Minus 8. Minus 8. I have got 8 chocolates and I will eat all 8 chocolates. I will eat all the 8 chocolates. So 0 chocolates will remain here. Answer is 0. So now next 9 minus 8. 9, 9, 9, 9 you say like this. 9. Minus 8. Minus 8 how to do? 1 upper bit, 3 lower bit I have to cancel. Don't cancel all 4 bits. 8 means 1 upper bit, 3 lower bit. You know that. So keep your finger on this. Minus 8. Minus 8. 9 minus 8. No. Minus 8. Say minus 8 always. Minus 8. Minus 8. Answer is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. Over. Clean your abacus once again. Then we'll come to this minus 9. Subtraction of 9. Okay. So how to do that? First number is plus. Nothing is there means here example. In this example, nothing is there means understood. It is understood that it is plus. ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? Nothing is there. कुछ भी नहीं है तो क्या समझना उधर? प्लस है. ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So 9. So 9 how to do? 1 upper bit, 1 lower bit. 9, 9, 9. Okay. This is 9. Minus 9. Minus 9 means how to do? All the bits you have to separate. So easy, so simple. Minus 9, minus 9, minus 9, minus 9, minus 9. I have got 9 chocolates. I will eat all the chocolates. And then the answer will be 0. I don't have any chocolates. Oh, this you have to practice 10 times. This 10 times. Then this is also 10 times you have to practice. Otherwise, at least 5 times you have to practice. So, I will give some sums on this. Okay. हाँ तो बच्चों मैंने अभी आपको -6, -7, -8 और -9 सिखाया. उसके ऊपर सम्स है. On that basis some sums are there. We'll solve it. Okay. We'll see. 9 minus 6 minus 2. For first sum. How to do this? First clean your abacus in the center rod. Center rod here or anywhere in the unit point you can do that. 9. Next number is -6. How to do -6? 1 upper bit, 1 lower bit you have to cancel. Like this. Then -2. -2. What is my answer? 1. Next. Clean the abacus. 3. This is +6. +6 how you people will do? 1 upper bit, 1 lower bit. Bring it. Touch the divider. This is +6. Then -6. Separate it. -6. Answer is 3. Here 3 plus 6 and -5. So how to do? Clean the abacus. +3 is with thumb finger. Which finger? Which number? This is very important. This you have to remember. Then 6 plus 6 like this. -5. You know -5 with the index finger, same finger. Then again, what is my answer? 4. Next 6. Next -6. You know people how to do this. -6 like this. And 7. 1 upper bit, 2 lower bits. This is 7. What is my answer? 7. Next number. Clean the abacus. 3, 5, -6. 3, 5, -6 how to do? 1 upper bit, 1 lower bit you have to cancel. Answer is 2. Then 4, 5, -6. Clean the abacus. 4, 5, 5 with index finger. Remember, +5, -5 both. Same finger, this index finger. Remember. -6. -6 means 1 upper bit, 1 lower bit. You have to cancel. My answer is 3. Next sum. Next sum how to do? Here 7. 7 means 1 upper bid, 2 lower bids. First do plus 7, then 2. Thumb finger. Plus 2 is this. That's why thumb finger. Then minus 7. Minus 7 means 1 upper bid, 1 lower bid. Then answer is 2. Here. This sum I will explain one more time. 7, 1 upper bid, 2 lower bid, then 2. 2 with a thumb finger. Then minus 7. Minus 7 means how to do that? 1 upper bid, 2 lower bid you have to cancel. For 6, 1 lower bid. 7, 2 lower bids. So my answer is 2. Next sum. 9. Minus 7. Minus 7 how to do? 1 upper bid, 2 lower bid. So minus 7. Say minus 7. Next number is 1. Thumb finger. Because it is plus 1. Answer is 3. Next. 4, 5, minus 6. So again minus 6 came here. How to do? 1 upper bid, 1 lower bid you have to cancel. Answer is 3. So remaining sums I will show in your small abacus. Come here. Clean the abacus. See here. First clean the abacus. Clean the abacus. First number is 7. Minus 7 how to do? Clean like this. Then again next number is plus 2. Plus 2. Answer is 2. Here. Now next 8, minus 8, 4. Remember these 3 numbers. We'll do here. Clean the abacus. Short set 0. 8, minus 8, 4. What is the answer? 4. Next. How I am doing here? In your small abacus, like that only you have to do in your house. 9 minus 9, 3. See here. 9 minus 9 means completely cancel it. Minus 9. Then plus 3 is there. Answer is 3. So, see this. 5, 4, minus 8. This I will do here. Clean the abacus first completely. First number is 5. Next number is 4. Then minus 8. Minus 8. 1 upper bid, 3 lower bid I have cancelled. So answer is 1. Here 5, 4, minus 9. This will do. Short set 0. First number is 5, 4, then minus 9. Minus 9 how to do? Like this. Cancel everything. Cancel. So answer is 0. Nothing is there means 0. Answer is 0. Okay. Pause the video. Do the same sums 5 times. Okay. Pause the video. Take down these sums. Don't copy this answer. But you should get those same answers. One sum you have to practice 5 times. One row 5 times. So some homework I will give now on this. To take down those homework, then I will explain about friends. Okay. So बच्चों minus 6, minus 7, minus 8 and minus 9 that you have learned. On that basis, these are the examples. These are the homework. You have to practice. Means how many sums are these? You count it. So for each row you have to practice 5 times. How many times? Remember, please remember. This full one line means this row and second row and third row. There are some sums. First row you have to practice 5 times. Second row you have to practice 5 times. 5 to 10 times. If you are getting more interest, you can practice it for 10 times also. And this also you have to practice 10 times. So pause the video and take down the homework. Next time I will give the answers for this. Now we are going to hurry up. First take down this. Now we are going to learn some very interesting things. That is formula. That I will teach you now. Little introduction of the formula I will give. Introduction of the formula I will give means I will explain what is the friend. In next class we will learn one by one formulas. Still now you are done very simple and easy sums. So today we are going to learn about friends. See here. Friends. Friends means what? This is equal to formula. So how to do that I'll show you. See here. Now Riya one girl is there. She has one friend, Arya. And Amog has very good friend Atharva. Like that, Sheila has got Meghana. These are the friends. Riya is friend of Arya. Arya is friend of Riya. Amog is friend of Atharva, and Atharva is friend of Amog. Sheila is friend of Meghna, and Meghna is friend of Sheila. But here Riya is not friend of Meghna, and also Riya is not friend of Atharva, because these people are not learning in the same class. These people are learning in the same class. So whenever Riya and Arya sits besides in the class, that time anybody needs pencil, eraser or rubber, what they will do? They will take the help of Arya. Riya will take the help of Arya, and Arya needs anything, paper, notes, book, notebook, anything. She will take the help from Riya. She will not take the help from Amog. Arya will not take the help from Atharva. They will take the हेल्प ऑफ देयर फ्रेंड. अपने अपने फ्रेंड से ही वो लोग मदद मांगेंगे. इसी तरह फ्रेंड है, शीला विल टेक द हेल्प फ्रॉम मेघना ओनली, एंड मेघना विल टेक द हेल्प फ्रॉम शीला ओनली. लाइक दैट द फ्रेंड्स आर देयर. दिस यू अंडरस्टूड मीन्स आई विल गो नेक्स्ट. प्लीज लिसन केयरफुली. दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड important. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Even number have also friends in abacus. Even number have also friends. Like how Arya has Riya, like that. 1 has some friend, 2 has some friend, like that. How that I'll explain you. Open your 5 fingers. Today you are going to learn small friends. What you are going to learn? Small friends. Small friend. For small friend, you have to open your 5 fingers. So first, one friend we don't know. We know Riya's friend is Arya, Atharva's friend is Amog, Sheila's friend is Meghna, but here we don't know who is one's friend. So how to know that? Means open your 5 fingers. Then one friend we don't know means close your 1 finger. How many fingers are open here? 4, isn't it? So that means one's friend is 4. Who is one's friend? 4. Now we don't know who is 2's friend, isn't it? We don't know. So how to know that? Listen here. Open your 5 fingers. Then we don't know who is 2's friend. Close 2 fingers. How many fingers are open here? 3. So 2's friend is 3. Understood? So see here. Now we don't know who is 3's friend. So open your 5 fingers. For small friend, always you have to open 5 fingers. Don't open 10 fingers. Only 5 fingers. Then who is 3's friend? We don't know. How to know that? First close these 3 fingers. How many fingers are open? That is its friend. That is its friend. Okay. 2's friend is 3. And 3's friend is 2. See here. 3 means 3 fingers you have to close. How many fingers are open? 2. So that's why 3's friend is 2. 3's friend is 2. Like this. Now 4. We don't know who is 4's friend. Again open 5 fingers, close 4 fingers. How many fingers are open here? 1. So 4's friend is 1. This you by head. Write it 20 times. 1 friend is 4, 2's friend is 3, 3's friend is 2, and 4's friend is 1. Like this you have to practice. By heart it and write it 20 times. How many times? 20 times without saying. Like this, open your 5 fingers and do it. So this is the explanation about the friends. See now how 1 is 4's friend, 2 is 3's friend, 3 is 2's friend, 4 is 1's friend. Like that, Darsh. Darsh is Naksh friend. is Naksh's friend, and Shreya is Shravya's friend. Okay, like that, Darsh will take the help from Naksh only, and Shreya will take the help from Shravya only. Like that, same here. 1 will take the help from 4, 2 will take the help from 3, 3 will take the help from 4. That we will learn in the next class. First to practice this. How to practice? I will show you. How this I will rub this side, this part. You have to tell the friends. Like how this part I will rub. Darsh's friend is Naksh. Shreya's friend is Shravya. You know this. So this side also I have rubbed. So we'll see whose friend is whose. Then one's friend. We don't know one's friend. Close first finger. 1 you have to close. You want this friend means you have to close that finger. How many fingers are open? 4. That means here 4. No 2. Two's friend you want means how many fingers you have to close? 2 fingers. How many fingers are open here? That is two's friend. Like this you have to see. Remember this. Listen carefully. If you understand this, then next all parts you'll understand very easily. This 3. 3's friend we don't know. How to know? Close these 3 fingers. How many fingers are open here? 2 fingers. Then that means 3's friend is 2. Now 4 friend we don't know again. So we have to open 5 fingers, close 4 fingers, because we want to know who is 4th friend. That's why close 4 fingers. Now how many fingers are open here? Only 1. So 1. So these are the friends. One's friend is 4, two's friend is 3, three's friend is 2, 4th friend is 1. Write it 20 times. This is your homework. Next class we will meet and I will explain the formula. Okay. Bye bye, bacho. Take care.